Xin chào tất cả các em. Hôm nay chúng ta lại quay trở lại với chương trình và chúng ta sẽ tiếp tục bước sang phần listening của bài 6. Let's start with Unit 6 Global Warming Listening. And you can see that this is a message for you. Save the planet, save your life. Now, first one, we come to Activity 1. Match the words with the pictures.
Skills.
Save the plant, save your life. 1A. Match the words with the pictures.
Now, first one, you match with C. 2, we match with D. 3, we match with famine. 4, we match with water shortage. And 5 is forest fire. Now we continue. Choosing.
2. Professor Lin is talking to a class of grade 11 students about global warming. Listen to the talk and choose the best answers.
Hi everybody. In my talk today, I'll discuss global warming and its causes and effects on our lives. I hope you can all understand that it's everyone's duty to help reduce global warming right now. You all know that global warming is the rise in the average temperature of the Earth due to the increase of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, and water vapor. Climate scientists now believe that humans are mainly responsible for this. The burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas, and the cutting down of large areas of forests have contributed to the emission of a large amount of harmful gases into the atmosphere in recent years. The thick layer of these gases traps more heat from the sun, which leads to the increase in the Earth's temperature. Global warming results in climate change and catastrophic weather patterns, such as heat waves, floods, droughts, and storms, which can affect human lives. Hundreds of millions of people may suffer from famine, water shortages, and extreme weather conditions if we do not reduce the rate of global warming. This could also result in a 20 to 30% loss of animal and plant species. Being well informed about the effects of global warming is the first important step towards solving this problem. You'll be more willing to change your lifestyle if you understand the impact of global warming. Moreover, you'll be able to inform others and inspire change.
Now, first one, which of the following is not mentioned in the talk? So as you can see, how to reduce the global warming. 2. What is the main purpose of Professor Lin talk? So number 2 would be to make the student understand what it is their duty to reduce global warming. 3. How many sources of greenhouse gas emission does Professor Lin mention? So number 3, 2. Number 4. How many people may have to suffer from the effect of global warming? So number 4, we see hundreds of millions of people. And 5, according to the talk, what is the first step to take to help to reduce global warming? To have a lot of information about the topic. Now we continue. Activity 3, question and answers.
3. Listen to the talk again and answer the questions.
Now, listen to and answer the question. And as you can see, according to Professor Lin, what are the greenhouse gases? So you can see that carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, and water vapor, No. What leads to the increase in temperature? The thick layer of the greenhouse gases trap more heat from the sun, leading to the increase of the temperatures on the earth. And what catastrophic weather pattern are mentioned in the talk? And what can the catastrophic weather pattern lead to? And 5. Why is it necessary to be well informed about the topic? So, if you use IseeBooks, you listen to the talk again and answer the question from number 2 to number 5 and press on submit button to check your answer. And if you have something wrong, you can press on try again to do the exercise. Now we come to the final task of listening today discussion.
4. Working groups. Discuss if the weather patterns in Vietnam have changed in over the last 10 years. Provide some examples. Then report the results to the class.
If you are in the classroom, work with your groups and your members in their groups, and then report the result to the class. And if you use IseeBooks, you can consult more information by pressing show answers. For example, if the weather pattern in Vietnam has changed over the last 10 years, we would have had a longer summer and hotter. As far as we can see, there has been an incredible rise in the average temperatures of the last 20 years. Therefore, the number tends to be hotter and the winter colder. Moreover, natural disasters such as drought, flood, etc. occur more and more frequently. One of the reasons for the temperature rising is the increase of greenhouse gases. The number of cars, high buildings, big companies, and so on releases a great amount of carbon dioxide, which absolutely leads to greenhouse effect. More seriously, the emission of the large harmful gases into the atmosphere from companies' working sites has destroyed our environment terribly. Now we've just finished listening of Unit 6 Global Warming. At home, learn by heart always. Redo the exercise, practice on IseeBooks, and prepare the next lesson rating of Unit 6. Goodbye for now.